Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aaliyah. If you've been here, I have been gone for a while. Last year, midsummer was really hard for me and my family, so we just took a lot of personal time and I've just been working, but I am back with this 4th of July look and I love it. If you want to learn how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, I know this one's weird, but I'm going to be using Milk of Magnesia as my primer instead because a friend told me that if you put this on your face, it will keep your makeup matte all day, and ever since I've been trying it, I've been absolutely loving it. Once it dries, it looks like this. I know it's a mess, but it is well worth it. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte PORE-LESS. I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend it in. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline's Better Skin. Just apply that everywhere you want to bring light to your face, and then once again use your damp beauty blender to blend it out. And now it's time to bake with the loose setting powder. To carve out these cheekbones, I'm going to be using the True Complexion contour palette. Remember never to start heavy and to always build up. And I'm going to use my beauty blender with some loose powder on it to clean out my nose contour. And now it's time for eyebrows, and like always, I use the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. To clean up my brows, I use the BH Cosmetics Foundation and Concealer palette. For blush, I use the BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette. In between layers of powder, I like to set my face. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. setting spray. For my highlight today, I'm actually going to be using a shadow from the Blush Neutrals palette. And now it's time for eyeshadow, and for my base, I'm going to be using a light shade from the BH Cosmetics Foundation and Concealer palette. And then I'm going to take this red shade from the Modern Mattes palette from BH Cosmetics and put that all over my lid. I use a sponge applicator to press it on, and then I use a fluffy brush to blend it out. And then I'm going to be taking PORE-LESS by BH Cosmetics, taking this white shade and popping that right on my inner corner. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using this liquid one by e.l.f. in Jet Black. For mascara, I'm going to be using Voluminous Millions of Lashes by L'Oreal. For lashes, I'm using these by Kiss in the style Shy. And then that is it for this look. It is so simple and so easy. Anybody can try it. If you noticed, I didn't put any makeup on my forehead because this summer I've been obsessed with like wearing hats. That way my face doesn't get like super dark because I am outside like a lot. So I'm going to fix my hair, put my hat on, and I will be right back to show you the finished look. Alright you guys, that is it for this week's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a big old thumbs up. If you recreate this look or any of my past looks, don't forget to tag me in them on Instagram. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell at the bottom so you're notified every time I upload or post. And I will see you guys next week.